Is anything that takes up space and has mass, which can be categorized into three states: solid, water, and gas. All matter, living or non-living, is made up of elements. The elements are substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by ordinary chemical. An atom is the smallest part of an element that displays the properties of the elements. Proton, neutron, electron. Electrons. In an electrically neutral atom, the positive charge of protons in the nucleus are balanced by negative charge of electrons. Electrons move around the nucleus in orbitals based on energy level. Octet rules. Electrons move in energy levels are known as shell electron orbitals. First shell contains 2 electrons. Every one after that can hold 8 electrons. Properties of water. Water has a high heat capacity. Water has a high heat of vaporization. Water is a solvent. Water has a high surface tension. Frozen water, ice, is less dense than liquid water. many molecules are resting to hydrocarbons, which is condensed carbon and hydrogen. Functioning group of hydrocarbon: hydroxyl, carbonyl, amino, phosphate, carboxyl, and last, sulfhydryl. Macromolecules contain many molecules joined together. Polymers: large organic molecules formed by combining monomers. Monomers: simple organic molecules that exist individually. From a reaction with join monomers, in a dehydration reaction, NOH and H are removed as a water molecule. In a hydrolysis reaction, components of water are added.
Today I'm going to talk about carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is the nutritional category for sugars and molecules that your body breaks down to make sugar. Carbohydrates can be simple or complex depending on their structure. Monosaccharides. From the prefix mono, which means one, monosaccharide is the simplest sugar and the basic subunit of a carbohydrate. These compounds are white solid at room temperature because they have polar hydroxyl group in their molecular structure. The most common monosaccharide are glucose, also called dextrose, and fructose. A disaccharide, also called double sugar or biose, is the sugar formed when two monosaccharides are joined by glycosidic linkage. Like monosaccharide, disaccharide are soluble in water. Three common examples are sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are long chain of monosaccharide linked by glycosidic bond. Three important polysaccharides: starch, glycogen, and cellulose are compound of glucose. Starch and glycogen serve as short-term energy stores in plants and animals. Lipids. There is another class of biomolecule called lipase that have the job of storing energy for later use. Lipids are also found in hormones.
Nucleic acids can be divided into two types, which are deoxyribonucleic acid (DNA) and ribonucleic acid (RNA). Structure of DNA and RNA. Both DNA and RNA are polymers of nucleotides. Every nucleotide is a molecular complex of phosphate, pentose sugar, nitrogen-containing base. DNA structure compared to RNA. Strand is a nucleotide that form a linear molecule. Two strands are held together by hydrogen bonds. Rungs of the latter are formed by complementary paired bases. A pairs with TOU, C pairs with G.